This bracelet is done by Navajo artist Toby Henderson. He lives out of Glendale, Arizona. And what it is, it's a big heavy, it's a man's cuff bracelet. So you can see it's big enough for a man to wear. But it's made in the cuff style, which means that it has a big, heavy, strong shank to it. And what Toby's done is he's taken that big shank, hammered it out, then he's taken a sheet of gold here, 14 karat gold, and overlaid it on there and into the bracelet itself. And this is a sheet of 14 karat. It's not that electroplate. Electroplate is really a thin layer of gold, and it wears off really quickly. When it's a sheet of gold, it actually wears a lot better, a lot longer. So really heavy bracelet, heavy gold in here. And the interesting part of this bracelet is it's set with a super high grade piece of number 8 turquoise. You don't see much number 8 anymore. You see a lot of mid to low grade out there, and they're doing all kinds of crazy stuff with it to be able to cut it. Unless it's high grade number 8, it's oftentimes very soft, and the matrix pattern will start to crumble and the stone will break. So you want to, when you're going with number 8 turquoise, you want to look for the really high grade with super solid matrix material. So this is a high grade piece of stone with really tight black matrix in it. So it's a spiderweb number 8 turquoise. But a super bracelet, very well made, with an incredible piece of turquoise in it.